Hi children, welcome back to my class. Hope you have learned all the concepts that I taught you in the previous class. Today we are going to learn about different atom model. Let's start the class. Rutherford Planetary Atom Model. According to Rutherford Planetary Atom Model, there is a positively charged center called nucleus, and the entire mass is concentrated in this nucleus. It is also suggested that electrons revolve around the nucleus, but this model is known as planetary atom model. Here, the nucleus of an atom can be compared to the sun in the solar system, and electrons revolve around the nucleus is compared to the planets revolve around the sun. Look at the table given in your textbook. Did you understand why this atom model is known as planetary atom model? But this atom model didn't get much acceptance. As it is said, electron keeps revolving around the nucleus. However, later it was found that any charged body while moving around in a circular motion would undergo acceleration. That is, it should use some energy. As a result, the path in which the electron is moving should becoming smaller, and thus finally it should fall into the nucleus. Hence, the atom should collapse. So, the nuclear model couldn't explain the stability of an atom, and this was its major drawback. The pictorial representation of limitation of Rutherford atom model is given in your textbook. So what is the drawback of Rutherford atom model? It couldn't explain the stability of an atom. You understood? It was Bohr who said electrons too revolve around the nucleus, but the energy remains fixed. He explained the energy of electron remain fixed because they revolve around a fixed orbit. Each of these orbit is at a fixed distance from the nucleus and associated with fixed amount of energy. These are called energy levels. These energy levels are represented by the letters K, L, M, N or 1, 2, 3, 4 starting from the center. So, the final model of Niels Bohr was similar to Rutherford model of an atom, which states an atom consists of a positively charged center around which the electrons revolve. The only difference was that in Bohr model is electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed orbit with fixed energy. Students, see the main ideas of Bohr model given in your textbook. First point, electrons revolve around the nucleus of an atom in fixed path called orbits or shells. So what is the name of that fixed path? These are called orbits or shells. Electrons in each shell have a definite energy. So these shells are also called energy level. So why these are called energy levels? Because the electrons in each shell possess some amount of energy. Is that clear? Third point. As long as an electron revolves in a particular orbit, its energy remains constant. That is, the energy doesn't increase or decrease. Fourth point, energy of the shells increases as the distance from the nucleus increases. That is, as the distance increases, what happens to their energy? Increases. If the distance decreases, the energy of the shell also decreases. Last point, the shells around the nucleus can be numbered from near the nucleus as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. or represented by the letters K, L, M, N, O. So each shell is represented by the letters K is the first shell, L is the second shell, M is the third shell and N is the fourth shell. Is that clear? Okay. So students, what we learned today? About Rutherford atom model. So Rutherford atom model is known as planetary atom model. Why this atom model is known as planetary atom model? Because you know this model is compared to the solar system. Here, the electrons revolve around the nucleus in the shell is compared to the planets revolve around the sun in orbits. And the nucleus at the center of an atom is compared to the sun at the center of a solar system. And the next one is the limitation of Rutherford atom model. So what is the limitation? Rutherford was not able to explain the stability of an atom. Next, we studied about Bohr atom model. According to Bohr atom model, atom consists of a positively charged nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus in a fixed path called orbits or shells. Each shell possesses some amount of energy, so they are called energy level, and this energy remains constant. These energy levels are represented by the letters K, L, M, N, etc. Okay students, hope you have understood the concept that I taught you today. If there is any doubt, inform me through the class WhatsApp group. Thank you.